You had me at Corvette, piqued my curiosity with that X at the end of the coveted ZR1 badge, and you reeled me in, Chevrolet, with the 1,250 horsepower quote. The 2026 Chevy Corvette ZR1X claims to be the true American hypercar. What do we know? The big news is that, while ZR1s are known to be rear-wheel drive road gods, the ZR1X will be benefiting from the foundation laid forth by the eRay and offers all-wheel drive capability. It'll be using a mid-mounted LT7 twin-turbo V8 engine. That's where 1,064 units of the horsepower will come from, along with 828 pound-feet of the torque. That's more stock power out of the factory than any other V8 produced by an American OEM ever. Factor in the compact electric motor on the front axle and you get an additional 186 horses and a bonus 145 pound-feet of torque. My. GM estimates a quarter mile in under 9 seconds. You know, we're still yet to see the Demon 170 do that, but that's another story. Trap speed is supposed to be superior to 150 mphs, and they also estimate 0 to 60 miles an hour in under 2 seconds. Let's look at the brakes. These are the biggest brakes ever offered on a Vette. Alcon 10-piston front and 6-piston rear calipers. These are mated to 16.5 front and rear rotors, the largest diameter rotors ever offered on a Corvette. The rotors are carbon ceramic, constructed with continuously woven carbon fiber threads. Look at the detail up close. Nice. During testing, GM saw J59-equipped Corvettes achieve 1.9 G of deceleration from 180 to 120 miles an hour. Whoa. Some questions arise, like, how much will it cost? Pricing is unknown at this time, but we do know the outgoing 2025 ZR1 starts at $178,195. That's for the 1LZ, and rises to $199,195 for the upper echelon 3LZ. The ZR1X builds will dodge tariffs as they'll be built in General Motors' Bowling Green assembly plant in Kentucky. That'll help lower the price a little. Other questions include, will it beat the Mustang GTD's sub-7-minute Nürburgring time? Definitely has to try, right? Maybe it'll even go after the current record holder, the Mercedes-AMG 1's lap time. And my last question is, will it surpass the outgoing ZR1's 233 mile/hour top speed? And the interior has the option for different colored seats. That's kinda nice. Thanks for watching and check us out at hotcars.com for all your automotive needs.